Hi there, crafters. It's Sheila with SheilaStamps.net, and today we are using Oh So Eclectic, and this is the card that we're making. Let's get started. Okay, so we are going to start with our stamping, and I have a piece of Whisper White and Berry Burrs, and we are using Oh So Eclectic, and we're going to be using these two flowers and oh, hello friend. All right, so I'm going to get the one with the petals first, and that's mounted on clear block C. And then I'm going to take my other one, and that is also mounted on clear block C. And it's just going to make like a watercolor here. And I want it colored in. That's why I did that one first. I have a piece of Whisper White, and that is cut at 1/4 by 5. And I'm going to come in with my Bermuda Bay. And then my sentiment. Well, am I getting it right this time? All right, let's see. We can actually put it over here because I'm going to be using the flowers, so we'll cover that up. No mistakes. Just room for embellishment, right? All right, let's take this out of the way. I'm going to bring in my Big Shot. And I'm going to come in with the piece that we need to cut. Let's see. Just like that, I'll make my sandwich and run that through. Alright, so then we have this flower. And then I have a piece of Bermuda Bay. And I'm going to take my layering leaves. Sandwich the right way. So just like that. And then run that through. And it's a dynamic embossing pad, so we only needed that one plate. Alright, so let's get this out of the way. And we'll start putting this card together. So our card base is Berry Burrs, and it's cut at 8.5 by 5.5, and I scored it at 4 1/4. I have a piece of Basic Black, and that is cut at 4 1/4 by 5. Put that down, and then our leaves here. So just like that. Now I'm going to take our sentiment. So just like that. And then our flower, I'm gonna pop it up with some Stampin' Dimensionals. And just like that. So there you have it, a quick and simple card to tell someone hello. Thanks for watching, and if you need any of these supplies, please click on my online store. It's in the YouTube description below.